You see?
Oh, wow.
Let me just break this in half. So this is how it looks, nice and airy. Let's go ahead and make waffle today. I am using for today's recipe 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of yogurt, and 2.5 tablespoons of oil. It can be any kind of oil. I prefer using olive oil. Half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It can be white salt, sea salt, any kind of salt. Okay, and then just 1 egg. All right. First thing first, I have this cup of flour here. Let's go ahead and put the flour. Put all your dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients gently. That's good enough. This is a very simple recipe. One nice thing about this recipe is you can just pour everything together and mix it and then just start cooking it. At this point, I'm going to turn on my waffle maker. Okay, now we're going to add the yogurt. You see the consistency of my yogurt? It's not like a buttermilk runny. It's a little bit thicker than buttermilk. So I'm using plain yogurt, made with whole milk. Okay. Then you pour your olive oil. Then 1 egg. Now you're just going to gently mix it. So when I'm using 1 cup of flour, I sifted that flour ahead of the time. So it's 125 grams of flour. If your flour is very dense, then your batter is going to be very thick. Okay, so then consistency is this good. You don't have to keep mixing it. This is good enough. Just as long as the liquid incorporated with the dry ingredients, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and scrape it. Okay. Let's see. The waffle maker is getting ready to warm up. So right now, my waffle maker is ready. So as you see, the consistency of your batter is going to be like this. Because my indicator is broken, but since I have been doing it for a long time, I can just feel it with my hand. I can feel the heat is coming to my hands. So what we need is, we just need to pour it like that. So if you're using...
Do you need any oil in it?
No, you don't need any oil because the material of this pan is already non-stick.
Oh, okay.
So you can just sprinkle. So I'm using about 1.5 scoop of this. And then you just gently close that, and it will take about 2.5 minutes to 3.5 minutes. If you want to make this waffle more healthier, you can, instead of using 1 cup of just the white flour, you can mix with half of the white flour and half of the whole wheat flour. And then also, into this batter, you can add some frozen blueberries. For this, you can use about half cup, even 1/3 cup of the blueberry. And you just, after you make your batter like this, you just add your blueberry and gently mix it a little bit, and then you can cook it. You can use fresh blueberries or you can use frozen blueberries. I would take my frozen blueberries out of the freezer about 10-15 minutes ahead of the time and just put it into the bowl, and then I will pour it. Once the steam stops coming out, that means your waffle is almost ready. You see?
Oh, wow.
Cooked.
Wow. Oof.
Okay. All right, let's cook more waffles.
It smells really good. Are you just eyeballing it?
I am eyeballing it, but then goal is just to cover that whole area a little bit. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and check the waffle. Ooh, perfect. Okay, so this time I'm going to put my time intentionally. Okay, you see? 1 scoop. Since I filled up the container so fully, it couldn't make 4 waffles, so it made about 3. Okay, let's put the time.
Extra?
So the rest of the leftovers, like this much, I'm gonna just scrape it and then put it in the middle. I'm not going to. I'm not going to throw it away. Yeah.
Well, you can still make small waffles.
Yeah, sure. You can still make the small waffle with this leftover. Okay. Like if you have a small kid, I'm sure they will eat the small piece,
they
right?
Love it. Yeah.
And I generally do not like to waste any of the food.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll cook that. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, 15 seconds. We can now, at this point, you can take a look. If you like a little more brown, you can wait another 30 seconds. So that'll make 3 minutes. Okay, now it's been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and open it up. Like that. Now we're going to cook our little tiny, teeny baby waffle. You just put it into the middle. You don't have to spread it all over the pan. Okay, just close it up. This should get cooked within a minute. Let's check out this one. Oh, our baby waffle is ready. Like this. Still good. Okay, waffle, get some butter on it and some syrup. Instead of maple syrup, you can use some fruit jam. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, look at that. I want you to see the, I think I better show you how it looks inside. Let me just break this in half. So this is how it looks, nice and airy. You see, nice and airy, it's not dense. This is a really good recipe. Yeah. Okay, now I can't wait to taste it. Really, really good. Very delicious. You can eat this waffle with some fried egg, with some omelet, and I can even show you how to make home fries from real potato. It's very delicious. It's a good treat on Saturday or Sunday with your family, and if you have small kids, they will definitely enjoy it. If you have some leftover waffles, you can put it into closed bag. Now it's already soft, right? You just put it into the Ziploc bag and you can keep it in your fridge. You can keep it up to 5-7 days even. Just put it into your refrigerator like this. Or you can even put it into the freezer. In the freezer, it can last a long time, about a month or 2 months. But if you put it into the fridge and then taking it out in a couple days, what you can do is you can put it into toaster. Let's go ahead and put one in the toaster. You know, you have one of those regular toaster, you put your bread into it, press it down. It can be literally just like that kind of toast. My toaster just happened to be one of these kind of toaster. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. You see, this is nice and ready. Nice and toasted, just like a toasted bread, like I said. Yeah, you can still put your butter, maple syrup, jam. If you're crazy about some whipped cream, you can squirt some whipped cream. Okay, thank you.